Hi friends, welcome to 99 Days of Data Science Challenge. Today it is day 1 and today we are going to look at what is data science and why we use data science. The study of large volumes of data using different tools and techniques is called data science. Every human in this world using internet generates a lot of data. You must have clicked this video to watch. And guess what? You generated data. Per day, we humans generate 2.5 quintillions of data. So, what do we do with this? We, data scientists, use this large amount of data to find the hidden patterns and extract meaningful insights from these data. With the use of data and data science, companies can make better decisions and can answer the unanswered questions. And yeah, this is the use of data science in this modern world today. I hope you got a clear picture on what is data science and why we use data science. Thanks for watching and let's meet tomorrow.